welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Scooby-Doo Lego set. So I got this set at Target.com for $27. It is recommended for ages 6 through 12. This set is 75902, the Mystery Machine, and it has 301 pieces. So this set comes with Freddy, Shaggy, Scooby, and a zombie. It comes with this monster tree and the Mystery Machine, of course. The back opens up and the lid comes up. Shaggy comes with a flashlight and a hamburger. And Freddy comes with a camera. So the back of the Mystery Machine can open up, and also the top of the Mystery Machine can come off. It also comes inside with the oven and a sink, also with the hamburger. It also has a magnifying glass and a stand to hold your flashlight and camera. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!